Welcome back to FAB Automotive Detailing. In this video, we will be reviewing Ethos's, I did it again. Welcome back to FAB Automotive Detailing. In this video, we will be reviewing Ethos car shampoo. Yeah, let's do it. So let's go over these directions really quick on the Ethos car shampoo. It does say extremely slick, adds lubrication to help prevent wash-induced scratching, which is always a positive. Luxurious and activated thick sudsing action, gently removes dirt and contaminants. pH balance, does not strip waxes, sealants, or protective coatings. So this is ceramic coating safe, which is amazing. I love their bottles. I said that in my last video. I love the way that they design these bottles, the labeling and everything. I really, really like it. I dig it a lot. And blue is my favorite color. That's an awesome color. It says our ultra concentrated pH balanced car wash shampoo was handcrafted to be extremely slick, providing mountains of suds while being completely safe for any automotive finish. When we designed our car shampoo, we hand selected the finest ingredients available to create a truly one-of-a-kind product. Ethos shampoo will not strip your wax or sealant and rinses completely clean without leaving a residue. People always say, what do you mean by rinsing clean? All soaps rinse clean. No, they don't. A lot of soaps leave a residue behind. So that's what, when I'm saying it rinsed clean or rinsed well, that means it's not leaving anything behind on the surface. The instructions are really easy. Simply add 1 to 2 ounces in your wash bucket, then fill with water. It doesn't say if it's a 5-gallon, but just says a wash bucket. Add 3 to 4 ounces to your foam gun or cannon and enjoy a blissful washing experience. So that's what we're gonna do. On my wife's 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee, I just got done making a video of a product that, not an Ethos product, product from another company that, let's just say, I was not very satisfied with. So half the hood is clean, but now that half the hood is clean, we need to clean the rest of the vehicle. So we're gonna make the video on the Ethos. So I'll take you guys around the car. We'll show you the car, and we'll get the foam cannon ready, use the new pressure washer, and let's just see what this stuff does.
All right, here it is, the black. Everybody asked for a black vehicle video, so here we go. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, my wife's. I'll mention it again. She works at a John Deere dealership, so it gets pretty dirty. They have gravel lots, and let's just say it'll be dirty tomorrow, just like it is now. Let's see, here we go. Down on the rockers, doors aren't nearly as bad. As you can see, bird poop as usual from her parking lot. We're just gonna do a quick wash on this. I mean, we're gonna review the product, but we're gonna make it a quick wash because we're losing daylight. It's 8:30 here. As you can see the dirt and stuff really well right there. Somebody's rubbed up against it, which causes scratches, unfortunately. Nothing I can do about that. So there you go. As you can see, the hood's pretty clean right here because of the other product I already reviewed. So, all right, let me get the camera set up, get the foam cannon ready. Let's get it going.
Okay, so we already did the smell test because my smeller doesn't work the greatest on these products. And April says it smells like blue raspberry. Whatever it is, it smells extremely good, I can tell you that much. So it does say 1 to 2 ounces. I always go to the high side, so we're gonna go 2 ounces in the wash bucket. I do have my turbine dirt lock filter right there. Love that thing. That's from the detail guards, by the way. That stuff is pretty thick. So let's pour it in here. Yep, it is thick. See if it suds up, how well it suds up. May put some of this in time lapse just so we don't make this a really long video. It's definitely foaming up inside, as you can see, which is a good thing. Yeah, I know I hate that screen. Okay, so I'll finish doing that in a minute. And then it says 3 to 4 ounces for the foam cannon. I've got 700 milliliters in the FAB foam cannon. It's not my foam cannon, but I put one of my stickers on it. We're gonna put between 3 and 4 ounces in. You guys know with a foam cannon, you do go through a lot of soap, but that's okay. They sent me these products for free to try. I'm not getting paid for it, just trying their products out, so I'm okay if I use a lot. Love the color. That right in there. I'm gonna finish filling up the 5-gallon bucket and get the foam cannon ready to go. We will pre-rinse the rockers because the rockers are really dirty. I'll pre-rinse the rockers, but not the rest of the car. And then we'll get on to foaming and see what this stuff does.
Okay, just to show you, I am using my Karcher. Hang on a minute. Come on. My Karcher K1700 right there. This will be the second time I've used it.
Be using the FAB foam cannon. This is an ABN foam cannon off of Amazon. It does. I just put in a 1.1 millimeter orifice in it. It's all the way to negative. Let's see if this stuff will foam. That foams extremely well.
As you can see, it's not shaving cream, but look, it's clinging to the panels, which is what you want. I did pre-rinse the rockers before. Okay, I'm gonna go around and finish foaming it, and we'll start washing.
Well, it's just official. FAB's foam is horrible. I can't wait to move and get a house where I can set everything up the way I want to set it up. But that foamed really good on the other side as well.
It is almost shaving cream foam. Over here it was. I couldn't get to show you guys, but this kind of tell you the story right here. I mean, it was really thick once I got it to go, but oh man, city water. Something. I don't think I have enough pressure coming out of my house is what I think it actually is why I don't get very good foam. I don't know though. But we're gonna begin washing it regardless. I can tell you right now, just from being on the wash mop, it is slick. It is very slick. Very high in lubricity, so that's awesome. I did this backwards. I normally start the fenders. I don't know what I'm doing here. Talking and not paying attention to what I'm doing. As you can see as I'm using it, sorry, the sudsing is staying really good. Once again, pull my ring off. That means that's slick. The ring test. Okay, so I'm out of breath, but I can tell you, it washes really good. It's very slick. My hands are really slick. Just sitting here. I'm noticing how slick it is when I'm going around the car. Let's rinse it. I don't know why I'm getting air either. I purged the line forever before I started the video. Okay, so I'm done rinsing. I want to show you guys. So the video probably before this one, I don't know, was a company that it's supposed to be a ceramic coating. This is the side, you remember I put it on. That was just not even an hour ago. That stuff was junk. This stuff washes great. I mean, it looks great already. I need to put some type of protection on this, but I said I wasn't going to use a drying aid, so I'm not going to. I'm going to dry it really quick. Me and April are going to dry it really fast. Thank you. Help me. I'm sweating my butt off. Okay, so we are still drying, but it's getting dark. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys it now. Looks great, by the way. I'm gonna show you it now, and then tomorrow morning before we go to work, if it's not raining, if it's sunny, I will show you what it looks like in the sun. Because the sun will be right over here facing my driveway. It looks great. It dried really nice and easy. There's some spots left over we missed. We're still going around. Looks really good. Man, so it's the second Ethos product I have tried. April, I'm coming around. It's the second Ethos product I have tried, and I am very satisfied with this. Now I just can't wait to try the rest of their stuff. Remember all the stuff that was right down through here? It's all gone. So yeah, another great product by Ethos. All right, so it is early morning the next morning. It is a little dusty, you'll see from sitting in the garage. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. don't want to wipe on it yet, but it looks great, as you can tell. Got some runs right here from it sitting in the garage and leaking down out of the trim. I'll get that taken care of here in a minute, but wanted you guys to see it just as I pulled it out. That makes me mad right there. Somebody bounced a basketball off of it. I don't know if the camera picks that up or not. Yep, right there. Oh, there's one right there too where they bounced the basketball off it. That'd be my son. On accident, but still. Looks good, you guys. Real happy with it.
I don't know if you guys can hear that right now, but the birds are out. It's early morning here in Indiana. Birds are out, sun is shining. We're gonna be 90 degrees today with like 80% humidity, which makes it feel close to 100. It's gonna be sweltering here in Indiana. And as you see, I'm in my work uniform, getting ready to go to work. I'm a mechanic, in case you guys don't know that. Back to the product though, Ethos car shampoo, 2 thumbs ups for sure. Thank you, Ethos, for sending this to me. I cannot wait to try your other products. I have tried 2 of your products so far, and I absolutely love both of them. So I'm gonna give you guys a little heads up what the next video might be. I might come home and wipe this Jeep down because it needs a wax, as you guys probably noticed in the video. The bead maker that was on it is gone. It needs a good wax. I'm probably going to use their liquid carnauba. They tell me that there's a really cool way to use this that will really surprise a lot of people. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but I'm going to do it probably tonight, later on. And it's gonna be hot too, so it should be an interesting video. But the car shampoo, like I said, 2 thumbs up. High lubricity, very sudsy in the bucket. It foams well, and as you guys know, I don't ever usually get the best foam, but it foams really good. It gave me the type of foam that I want, which is a foam that will run down the surface. It clings, but as it's clinging, it's kind of slowly running. It's bringing all that dirt, it's trapping it in the foam, and it's bringing it to the bottom of the car, so you have a very safe wash experience. And that's exactly what you want. And don't get me wrong, shaving cream type foam is very cool. It's very cool when you're watching videos, but if it's not running to the bottom of the car, it kind of defeats the purpose of foam in the car, in my opinion. But I think with a better foam cannon, I think it will foam even better. I'm going to get it figured out, you guys. Eventually, I've bought everything that everybody keeps telling me I need to buy. I mix it exactly the way they tell me to on the products, the bottles, and it's not shaving cream, but it is good enough for FAB, and that's what really matters. I think if you put this in like an MTM Hydro, or even, I should have done it in my Griot's Garage Boss foam cannon, I think the foam would be even better. But it is a very, very good product that smells amazing, as I've said a few times in the video. And I know that when I smell a product and it smells good, I kind of seem to go on and on about it, but it's just true. It smells really good. It makes an absolute enjoy, and you enjoy the wash experience or anything you're doing when it smells good better than if it smelled bad. And even April was sitting in here while I was washing it. She goes, "Man, that smells good," all the way in my garage. And I was washing it out there in my driveway. So that tell you, that's how good it smells. But thank you once again, Ethos. I really appreciate you sending this to me. It's a 2 thumbs up product. You guys need to go out and buy it. I will put links down in the video, in the description of the video, so you guys go check it out yourself. This is not a sponsored video. I make no money off of putting links in my video. I make no money off making this video. I do make money if you buy this off of my Amazon store, but I do not make it from Ethos. I make it from Amazon. So I will make sure it's in my Amazon store as well. The description will be down in the video, so you can go to my Amazon store and you can buy this product, or you can buy many products that I recommend. I just appreciate Ethos sending products to me. I win because I get free products to try out. They win because they get free advertisement. It's a win-win for both of us. And with products that work as good as this works, and as good as that wheel cleaner worked, and I can't wait to use the rest, then I love getting products like this, you guys. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Ring that bell so the next time I upload a video, you do get notified. And don't forget to every Saturday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we do go live, and I'd like to see each and every one of you there.